Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the much anticipated 2025 Cfmoto 800Nk. This naked sport bike has been making waves for its sharp design, impressive features, and powerful performance. If you're in the market for an exciting, budget-friendly alternative to the typical sport bike options, you'll want to stick around. Let's jump right in. Design and styling. The 2025 Cfmoto 800Nk stands out with its aggressive, futuristic styling. The sharp, angular lines and muscular build give it a bold presence on the road. The LED lighting and sleek front end add to its high-tech vibe, while the minimalist tail section keeps it looking clean and sporty. Overall, Cfmoto has nailed that perfect balance between modern aesthetics and practicality, making it one of the best-looking naked bikes in its class. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2.025-800Nk is a 799cc parallel twin engine that delivers a hearty 95 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, this engine offers a perfect balance of power and control for both city cruising and aggressive highway runs. The bike's performance-oriented suspension system includes adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, providing great handling whether you're carving through corners or enjoying straight line of stability. Technology and features. One of the standout features of the 800Nk is its tech package. The bike comes with a full-color TFT display showing essential ride info in a clear, easy-to-read format. It's also equipped with cornering ABS, traction control, and riding modes to help you customize your ride. Whether you're in the mood for a sportier feel or something more relaxed, the 800Nk adapts to your needs with ease. Comfort and ergonomics. Cfmoto has really thought about rider comfort. The ergonomics of the 800Nk are tailored for both city riding and long trips. The wide handlebars and comfortable seat make it easier to maneuver through traffic, while still providing that slightly aggressive stance that gives you control in sporty riding situations. The bike's lightweight build also means it's easy to handle, even for less experienced riders. Price and value. And here's the kicker. The 2025 Cfmoto 800Nk comes in at a very competitive price point. At around $8,500, it offers performance and features that rival other bikes in its class, but at a more affordable price. For riders who want a solid naked bike without breaking the bank, this is an incredible value. Conclusion. So there you have it. The 2025 Cfmoto 800Nk offers a fantastic mix of performance, design, and technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of sport bikes, the 800Nk has something to offer. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to get a lot of bang for their buck in the naked sport bike category. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes and gear. Catch you in the next one.